Hello everybody and welcome back to the Cute Kitchen. Today we are going to be making 4 healthy, delicious mug breakfasts. These all take around 5 minutes to make and literally take no time at all. These are perfect for before work or school as they are quick to make but still filling and full of slow release energy. They all smell amazing when they cook as well. These are great for the winter and autumn months as they are warm and a great healthy way to start your day. Today we will be making a delicious banana pancake with raspberry compote, a filling cinnamon and apple oatmeal, some crispy and quick to make granola, and a banana blueberry oat breakfast muffin.
First we are going to start with the breakfast muffin. You will need half a banana that we are going to mash in a medium-sized mug. You can mash this until smooth. Next add a third of a cup of oats. Now add 3 tablespoons of milk. You can use any type of milk you like, depending on your preference. Now add a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 of a teaspoon of mixed spice. Add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix it all together until well combined. Now add a 1/4 of a cup of blueberries and mix again. You will need to microwave this for 3 minutes in a 900 watt microwave, so adjust the time to suit yours. I'm going to be topping mine with some frozen blueberries and some fat-free yogurt. And that's it, your blueberry muffin is done.
Next is the banana pancake. To make this recipe you will need oat flour. To make this you literally just put oats in a blender, it's as simple as that. To a medium-sized mug add a whole mashed banana. Then a 1/4 cup of that oat flour, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and a whole egg that I have gently whisked in a bowl. Now whisk together until smooth. Now microwave this for 3 minutes in a 900 watt microwave. Next we will be making the raspberry compote. Add half a cup of raspberries to a bowl and then squirt some agave on it. You will need to microwave this for 1 minute and 30 seconds, then stir, and then another 2. This is what it should look like when it's finished. Now top your pancake with this delicious jam. And that's it. This recipe is so simple. Now we are making this incredible apple oatmeal. We will start by chopping 1 apple into small cubes. I left the skin on, but you can peel it if you like. Next, to a medium-sized mug, add almost all of the apple, but leave a bit for the end. I've now added a bit of water, about a tablespoon, and then mixed it with the apple. Now top with cling film and pierce it with a couple of small holes. Microwave this for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Be careful when you take the cling film off at the end as it is very hot. Now mix and add 1/3 cup of oats. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 4 tablespoons of milk. Now mix it all together until well combined. Now add a bit more milk to the top, depending on your preference. Now microwave for 3 minutes. Add some more milk to cool it down slightly so you can eat it right away. Top with the apple you saved from earlier and a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can add some honey if you like. Next we are making the granola. To a medium-sized mug, add 1/3 cup of oats. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now add a nut of your choice, preferably pumpkin seeds, but I had cashews. You have to be more careful with cashews as they easily burn. Add about a handful. Now mix all your dry ingredients together. Add 3 tablespoons of agave or honey and mix together. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then microwave this in 2 1-minute bursts and 1 30-second burst, mixing in between. Now a quick disclaimer, I'm sorry the lighting in this clip was not the best. In reality the granola looked a light golden brown, but it looks more dark in this clip. Now add in some raisins and mix. Top with a dollop of fat-free yogurt, and I added some blueberry compote that I made the same way as the raspberry one. And add some fresh satsuma. And there you have it, your delicious granola. And that's it, all my healthy breakfasts are done. Remember, all my timings are done for a 900-watt microwave, so make sure you adjust the time to suit yours. If you have any requests for recipes you would like to see in the future, let me know down below in the comments. All the exact quantities for these recipes will be in the description. Let me know which is your favourite and whether you made any of them. Personally, my favourite is the banana pancake, as I like how filling and delicious it is when paired with the raspberry compote. I personally love the compotes, as you can make them the night before and just put them in the fridge for a stress-free breakfast in the morning. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. A new upload will be coming soon, so make sure you check it out. Bye! Thank you again for watching.